Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Screenshot Reader tool in the Read&Write browser extension. This feature is also available in the desktop version of Read&Write but may function a little differently. The Screenshot Reader tool is great for reading aloud many types of inaccessible text, such as text in images and inaccessible PDFs. It also allows you to copy the text being read aloud and insert it into a Word document, PowerPoint, or other places text can be inserted. On the Read&Write toolbar, the Screenshot Reader tool is the square outline box with a cursor icon, and when you hover your mouse over, you can see the words Screenshot Reader will appear. To use this tool or any of the tools on the browser extension, click on the icon and a small dot will appear, and the icon will change colour to show you are currently using that feature. To use the Screenshot Reader feature, go to the web page with the inaccessible text and click on the Screenshot Reader icon. We'll turn your cursor into a cross. With this cross, hold down your mouse button and select the text you want to read aloud, making sure everything is selected before you release the mouse button. You will see a box around the text you have selected, and at the bottom it will show it is loading. Once it has loaded, a voice will read the text aloud.
HRUC, we're Harrow, Richmond, and Uxbridge Colleges.
You can pause, stop and play this voice at any time by clicking the buttons in the bottom right corner of the selected area box. You will see a fourth button that is one box on top of another box. This is the copy icon that will allow you to copy all the text within the selected area and paste that text somewhere else for future use. In the Read&Write settings under the Speech tab, you can choose which voice you would like to hear when reading aloud. You can also set the speed of the voice. So that is the Screenshot Reader feature in the Read&Write browser extension. For more help on how to use the other Read&Write toolbar features, please check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.